What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1972 Monte Carlo. Just got back from the test drive, running drove pretty good. Definitely check out that test drive video if you're interested in buying this car. This video here will help you out and letting you know everything about it. Got power steering. It's a little 402 under the hood with aluminum radiator. It's got the Wilwood disc brakes on the front, drum in the rear. It's a 4-speed. In this video, we're going to walk around. Any scratches, flaws, chips, I'm going to point them out for you. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. I got it up under the awning because it's still raining. Luckily, I got the test drive done today. Go ahead and get the keys, so when we make it around to the trunk, we'll just pop it. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information and all of our inventory. Let's get started here. Front bumper's not perfect. Still looks pretty good, but if you get real close, you can see some light little scratches. You see those? Kind of going slow along here. Just kind of show them off to you. The grill's not too bad a shape. Got a few chips. Car's got a pretty paint job on it. Decent tires all the way around. Pretty good shape. Trim looks good. We're gonna be checking the bottoms of these doors. It's got 454 SS emblems on it. That's not true. Run down the bottom of the door real quick. We'll make our way up to the top. There's a dent right here in the trim. And another one here. Looking down the side of the door, it looks pretty solid. The trim here's also got a couple little dents. Hood looks pretty good. Definitely gonna be checking the vinyl top for any kind of rust. There's a little bubble there. Try to make it pop up. You see it? Always run my hands over all this stuff, hit the edges real good. That way if you just suddenly feel a bump, you know what it is. Kind of help you out if you're out there car buying. There's another one right here. Little dimple there. I mean, it's not rusted out, but you know it's gonna be there, so. Feels like there's another one right here. Just filling around the edges mainly. Body looks great on this one. There's a little dimple back here, and the paint's a little thick. Back bumper's in pretty good shape, about the same as the front. I mean, it's got its light scratches. There's a dent over here on this side. They must have backed up into something. Trunk opens well. You hear a little bit of rust up in there. You can see it in the edges. There's some panels. Those are probably at the back panels on the headliner. Look up in the package tray. It's nice and solid. Doesn't look bad at all. Trunk does have a bit of moisture in it. You see the water coming in here? It's solid though. I'd say it probably from the old weather stripping. Oh, I forgot I took the car out of gear. About rolled away from us. Needs new weather stripping. It's probably the reason the water's getting in here. Looks like new fabric too in this box. Maybe for those panels. We'll look on the inside and see if the ones in there are bad. Looking down this side of the car, it's pretty good. Which side's better? There's a bump right there. Got a bump right here as well. All right. The door handle actually fell in on us. We're gonna be trying to get to that and trying to get that replaced. Having to open it from the inside of the car right now. But yeah, that just happened today, so I wanted to get these videos out to you. I didn't think that would be a huge issue. Missing a piece of trim over here. I didn't see it in the trunk either. Something you'd have to order. Mirrors look pretty good. Got a little bit of pitting on it though. That's definitely not perfect. All right, we've made it all the way around this one. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Oh yeah, I went to open it from there. Go ahead and place your bets. You think this horn works? A little game we like to play on this channel. The seat's in pretty good condition. It's not tore up, no rips. Back's the same way. Those back panels, that's what they were for in the trunk. Package tray looks good. Yeah, those back two panels there are tore up. Let's get closer on that one so I can show you. Checking out this door panel. Looks pretty good. Weather stripping's not too bad. Checking the bottom of the door. Carpet's like a blue color. Got a blue tint to it. Sitting down on the inside, you got aftermarket gauges under there, the 4-speed. Did y'all place your bet on horn? It works. Headliner's not too bad. Let's see how she starts. The other square key. Well, there's 3 of them. There we go. Starts up pretty easy. Got a good sound to it. The gas gauge does work. All the gauges are working down there. Radio works. Blower motor works. Blowing pretty hard. Windshield wipers, that's a no-go. Gonna need some windshield wiper work. The dash here does have some cracks in it. an exhaust leak over here on this side. I can hear it sucking air. Let's see how the hood looks down. Comes down pretty easy. Edge of the hood here's got some chips. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures. I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button and check out the test drive on this. You can easily access it by the end of the video. I'll go ahead and clip them up together. Or just type in 1972 Monte Carlo Maple Motors with the stock number into the YouTube search bar. Should be able to find any of our cars that are available right here on YouTube. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching, and thanks again.